The gas leak is coming from the fuel injector, and when I unplugged the connector, it zapped my hand, even gave me a little jolt. A total loss, but at least it's not leaking anymore. Now the engine's finally sealed. No more oil leaks, no coolant leaks either. So we can start working on the rest of the parts. The first thing that arrived was the main headlight assembly. Then there's this used exhaust pipe, and even a catalytic converter attached to it. I also bought a pair of used shock absorbers,